What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to go over my options portfolio, what I've been doing, and everything else you need to know. But first, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and with that, let's get right to it. So my apologies on not giving any updates near the tail end of the week. I didn't really do all that much other than another 𝗖𝗧 selling of a call for that, which did result in it expiring worthless. Yesterday with the sell-off because of broader market fears and whatever else, I did actually liquidate my short positions on Palantir and also Robinhood. So right now, essentially, I'm not shorting anything, but I did a ton of options today because the market for the most part is kind of recovering, but the underlying fear is still there. So without further ado, let's get right to my portfolio. So I did a couple, more than a couple, I guess, as you can kind of see. For those of you that are new to kind of me doing these videos, I try to just get roughly around $500 for the most part in premiums a week. That's my kind of goal-ish, and it's also to do it in a very risk-adverse way. So I like to sell calls, puts, just to collect the premiums, but I did actually do some yesterday. So Nike did have their earnings. As you can kind of see, it is selling off. So right before, actually the last 10 minutes of the earnings, I did sell several of them. So you can kind of see right here, I already closed out all of them, took profits. So I did sell a $99 call, and so I collected $170 in premiums for that, $98 call, $95 call. And so I locked in some profits. I also did sell a $80 put, and first thing I did liquidate it, locked in $20 for the most part, only because I was worried that by the end of the week, by this Friday, which is the expiry date on all these options, like it could get dragged down below that. So didn't want to really hold Nike all that much, so profit is profit. And then this is everything that I did do today. So a couple daily options. So SPY by the end of today, 570 call, 571 call, and as well right here 573. Based on right now, everything, all those are going to expire worthless. So that's going to result in, for the most part, what was it, like $100, $110, so $86, 46, and 9. I'll be rich from that. So yeah, all in all, pretty good stuff. I also did sell $37 Palantir call, only one of them, $46. Still, you guys know my stance on Palantir. I think it's overdone, and if it doesn't get tanked by Friday, I wouldn't mind shorting it at 37 in general. Robinhood, so I did sell two $23.50 options on Robinhood, and so that's going to give me around $38 in premiums. And similarly, I wouldn't mind shorting Robinhood once again at $23.50. So profit's profit, and I do have kind of some mentality to my madness with all my options. Palantir, $38. Strike price, I did sell 4 of them, so roughly around $63. So yeah, all in all, I still feel like that will expire worthless by this Friday. I also sold 24 call Robinhood, 2 of them, and $8 call 𝗖𝗧. And then last but not least, 2 of them, NEO, $8 call. So that's going to net me, all in all, not counting, or I guess you can count these as well, probably around, what is it, $800, $900. So pretty good week, but still, even by the end of the week, if a lot of these do get exercised, such as Palantir, Robinhood, like I wouldn't mind shorting a lot of those companies. NEO is kind of a Russian roulette a little bit, so that one is a beast. It could definitely go up significantly higher, but I just felt based on a technical level, it's going to have some consolidation. So that's kind of the basis of all of that. So let me know your thoughts on these options. In case you are, again, new, just try to target options and stocks that are extremely volatile, such as a lot of the ones I have on my watch list. So 𝗖𝗧, NEO, ChargePoint, Virgin, a lot of these stocks are very good for options because volatility and options go hand in hand. So let me know your thoughts. What have you guys been doing for options? And yeah, let me know your thoughts. On a side note, if you are looking for a good broker, take a look at 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗖𝗧. Has a lot of good information that I use on a day-to-day basis. And I have a link to them for it to be completely free in the description below. With all that said, appreciate all of you guys watching.